Hi there, students. Non-committal. Non-committal, an adjective. You can make it one word, you can hyphenate it, or you can make it two words. Let's see, non-committal, an adjective. The adverb non-committally. Okay, if somebody is non-committal, they don't express an opinion, they don't give a decision. So the politician gave a typical non-committal answer. Yeah, he answered non-committally. Yeah, this is when you refuse to comment on a particular opinion or a course of action. You don't want to reveal what you think. Yeah. Okay, this is where you don't want people to know your answer. You don't want them to be able to pin you down. So refusing to bind yourself, to tie yourself to a particular course of action. So when she asked him, "Are you going to marry me?" he was very non-committal. Yeah, he didn't give an answer. He didn't say yes and he didn't say no. I think he's trying to avoid the problem, to be evasive. Yeah. Okay, her face was very non-committal, and her answer was non-committal as well. He looked at me non-committally. I like this word non-committally. M-I-T-T-A-L-L-Y. So you get three double letters. Yeah, he gave a non-committal reply. He was very non-committal about how much money had been spent. Yeah, he didn't want to say, he didn't want to give an opinion. The minister said that a large number of jobs had been created, but when the reporter asked exactly how many is a lot, he was very non-committal, he was evasive, he was politic, he was guarded. So he gave a very non-committal reply. Yeah, his face was non-committal. Yeah, so effectively this is avoiding commitment, avoiding saying yes and no. You say maybe. So maybe's a perfect non-committal answer. It means maybe yes, maybe no. So you don't give information. When my girlfriend asks me a difficult question like, do these jeans make me look fat? I try to give some sort of non-committal answer. Yeah, because you may be wrong both ways, whatever you say. Okay, so this is non-committal from the verb to commit. Yeah, or committal, the act of entrusting something to somebody, or the committal of an offence. But non-committal, not wanting to commit yourself. Yeah, okay, to maybe avoid problems, to avoid later somebody saying, "But you said you were going to." Yeah, maybe, perhaps. That's the perfect non-committal answer. So, formality. I think I'm going to give non-committal a 5.5 in formality. I think you could probably use non-committal anywhere. And then as to origin, well, I said it comes from the verb to commit, from Latin committo. Yeah, com together and mitto, to send together. So non-committal, you didn't put the things together. Well, I guess. Okay, so non-committal, to give a non-committal answer. Yeah, not to commit yourself to one thing or another. Yeah, as I said, politicians are typically non-committal. Yeah, we're non-committal when we don't want to say yes or no. I think the British can be very non-committal as well. You can't get a straight answer. No, I need to know yes or no. Stop beating around the bush and giving me these non-committal answers. Yeah, give me a straight, direct answer, yes or no. And this is the idea of non-committal. Okay, so I guess that's enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Non-committal.